Driver than me.
Right guys, well it's Saturday, so it's time for an Uber shift video. Anyone new to the channel, it's fairly straightforward. Each hour I'll do a quick update to how much my takings have been during that hour. Now what you have to keep in mind is this is takings, not profit. There's a lot of expenses to come out of that, and as we all know, fuel prices is absolutely through the roof at the moment, and that's not Uber taking a hit on it, that's us, the drivers. But today should be busy because it's payday weekend, and generally on payday weekends there's a lot more offers coming through and the prices can rise for us. Speaking of the prices on Uber, I get a lot of people complaining about how much Uber take from the job. Now the way I work's quite simple. If I don't care what Uber's taking from the fare itself, I care about whether it's worth it for me. But on that note, have a look at this video where a viewer has messaged me complaining about it, and let me know your thoughts on it. Here you go.
Okay, a driver sent me this trip and asked me one question. How much percent did Uber take from this? But honestly, that is not the part that worries me. Let's take a look at the trip. The app didn't hide the price from this driver. The trip card would have shown just under £5 for 3.5 miles and about 12.5 minutes with the passenger. And that's before you even take into account the running time to get the customer and the mileage. But anyway, let's answer his question for him. It's about 51% of the fare that Uber withheld. Now I see why drivers may be thinking Uber's taking the piss, but my worry isn't what Uber took. My worry is the fact that this driver has accepted this absolute donkey job in the first place. At the end of the day, Uber is a business. You are self-employed. They're trying to maximize profits. You should be doing the same. And drivers accepting trips like this is the sole reason Uber's getting away with taking such a massive percentage. Because their goal is to get the job completed. And this driver done it for them.
Now let's see how today does. Right, so first hour up, and this is what I'm on. So no, it hasn't been great with the offers. Offers have been coming in, but they've not been offers that I've wanted because the maths was not mathing. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when you pull up to an house or whatever, a flat, you'd always kind of prejudge the customer, don't you? Well, I do. I don't know if you guys do. So I pulled up in this quite run-down area of this high-story flats, and as I'm waiting for the customer, she comes out and she's still in her PJs, and I looks at the time and I'm like, 4:20, and you're still in your PJs. So I preempted it and I put my window down a little bit. You know, as you do. Anyway, she gets in and she was dead nice as pie, speaking to me, all this stuff. It turned out when I said, so what you up to? She went, I'm going to a pajama party and we're all gonna get drunk and sit round in our PJs. How bad and how wrong was I to prejudge that customer? Hopefully the next hour picks up, let's see. Well, it's 6 o'clock, and not only have I managed to make the £20 an hour that I like, I've actually caught up from what I was behind in the previous hour, and this is what I'm on. I've just had a customer speaking to me, telling me how every time they get an Uber, the drivers are asking them how much they've paid for it, and then moaning about Uber. I don't know why you're doing that, guys, because you can literally check the set to see how much the riders are paying. Just go onto the way bill and it shows you. So if you don't know, look for this screen, this button here, click on the way bill and it shows you how much the customer's paying. Also, at the end of the trip, when you've completed it and you're looking in your logs, you can go down to the bottom of the logs on this type of screen and press more information, and it shows you in more detail how much the rider has taken and how much your cut is from it, how much Uber's taken and how much the rider's paid and how much your cut is. So there's absolutely no need to ask the customers, what are you doing? Well, it's now 7 o'clock and this is what I'm on. So although I hit what I wanted to, it was difficult because out of that whole last hour, I'd say at least 25 minutes I was sitting there without work during it. It was offering trips, but they were so dire and miles away. I'll give you an example. It was offering me this one, and then it now I know that's a match, but it offered me that one, and then it offered me this one as an exclusive, and it's like, no. So yeah, I've got a feeling this next hour isn't gonna be great, but let's find out. Well, it's been an hour and a half since my last update. It's now 8:30 and this is what I'm on. To be fair, I was right with what I was saying. It was dead slow to start with in that first hour, but then all of a sudden it was back to back jobs. One particular point, there was a customer waiting where when I dropped the customer off, they got straight in, and it doesn't normally work that way, so I was made up with that. But look at these stats here. Out of that many offers, I've accepted that many. It's never normally like that, to be fair. It's normally about 2, 3 every 70. So for it to be like that, that's not bad at all. Now I am close to my house, so I'm going to pop in and have a quick break. The next hour you see will be an hour after I come out after that break. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen now is 9:30 when I come out, and then 10:30 an hour later. And this is what I'm on. I've just had a really, I mean, for me, it was great, but for the customer, it wasn't. So I picked them up at a pub, and they had it down to go to the train station, which was just round the corner. Yeah, let me show you the trip. So that was the trip. And when I got to the train station, the guy was going, "You're going the wrong way, you're going the wrong way." I went, You've put the train station in the app, you know, like that. And they went, "Oh, well, what can I do now?" And I went, "Well, what are you now? The trip's finished." I said, "So you'll have to order another one." And will I get you? Can I order it with you now? I went, "Oh, well, I honestly don't know whether I'll get it. But I tell you what, if it comes up, I will accept it." I said, regardless of what the price is, just so you know, you're not thrown out on the street. And they were like, "Oh, thank you, thank you." So they did it, and I got it, and it was this one. So I'll show you now. I'll add it all up. So the total cost I got from that little amount of miles, I hate to think what Uber, and do you know what? Actually, we know how much the customer paid. So I'll bring up what she paid as well. So that's what she paid for that little mistake, and then that's what I got. Oh dear. 11:30, and this is what I'm on. Not a bad little hour, but during that hour, I had a Uber teen job. Now, normally I don't do them because they're normally miles away, but this one was only a mile away, so I thought, go on then, I'll do it. And it was booked under Uber teen comfort. And it was 3 girls. When they got in the back, she goes, "Oh yeah, we only order comforts. We don't want a regular Uber X car picking us up." They were about 14, 15. Well, it's now 12:30. I was going to call it a night about 1:30, but I got a job and the destination was a couple of streets from my house. So I thought, you know what? Okay, Uber, I'll take the hint. I'll go home. Anyway, let's do the roundup. So we've got the hours I've done. Keep in mind, I did have a break. Then we've got the total I've earned. Oh, I haven't showed you that. There's the last screenshot with the time in the corner. And then we've got divided by the hours I've done. So that's what I've done. Now, during this whole night, I have been very picky with what I'm accepting. I haven't just accepted anything for the sake of it. And that's the way you guys should be if you're working Uber. And if you're not working Uber, that's not profit. I have expenses to come out of that. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, give us a like. If you're new, give us a sub. And I'll see you in the next one.